Where land meets water, Oberhofen sits quietly on the shore of Lake Thun, a place where the gentle lapping of waves is a constant companion and the scenery feels almost untouched by time. The village is surrounded by the towering Swiss Alps, their snowy peaks rising majestically above green slopes, creating a dramatic backdrop that changes with the light and seasons. The sloping roofed houses, adorned with vibrant flower boxes, seem to nestle into the landscape, as if they've always belonged here, blending seamlessly with the natural beauty that surrounds them. Here time slows and the air is crisp, a refreshing mix of mountain freshness and the lake's gentle scent. Each breath feels invigorating, as if nature itself is inviting you to pause and savor the moment. On calm days, Lake Thun becomes a perfect mirror, reflecting the sky and mountains in its still waters. The views from nearly every home are breathtaking, offering a sense of peace and wonder. Small boats bob gently near the wooden docks, their slow movement adding to the tranquil atmosphere and reminding visitors of the simple pleasures of lakeside life. Life here follows the gentle rhythm of the seasons. In summer, the village stirs with quiet activity, people walking, cycling, or simply enjoying the sunshine. Yet there is never any rush or noise. People come to Oberhofen for calm, to reconnect with nature along the lakeside paths, where every step brings a new view and a deeper sense of tranquility. These peaceful paths are the heart of Oberhofen, perfect for evening strolls, quiet reflection, and watching the sky turn orange and pink as the sun sets behind the mountains. The distant silhouettes of the Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau peaks become especially dramatic as daylight fades, their outlines etched against the twilight sky, inspiring awe in all who see them. Oberhofen Castle, with its turret stretching out over the water, adds a fairy tale touch to the scene, as if it were plucked from the pages of a storybook. In Oberhofen, history and nature come together to create moments of simple, profound beauty, a place where every view feels like a painting and every day invites you to slow down and simply be. As evening approaches, the sun dips lower, casting a golden glow across Oberhofen. The village, nestled by the lake, begins to bask in this warm, gentle light, creating a serene and picturesque scene. The sky shifts from blue to soft yellows and oranges, clouds catching the changing light. It's as if the heavens are painting a masterpiece, each stroke more vibrant than the last. Walking the lakeside path, the air cools and the world glows, leaves, stones, and benches bathed in gold. The tranquility of the moment is palpable, inviting a deep sense of peace. The mountains, once distant and grey, now blush with pink and orange. They stand as silent witnesses to the day's end, their peaks glowing softly. The transformation is slow, as if the world is holding its breath. Each moment stretches, filled with the beauty of the fading light. Colours deepen, yellows and oranges burn into crimson and magenta, painting the clouds. The sky becomes a canvas of intense, fiery hues. Lake Thun reflects this spectacle, doubling the beauty in its still waters. The reflection is so clear, it feels like a portal to another world. The gentle lapping of waves and distant church bells set the evening's rhythm. It's a symphony of nature and human presence, perfectly in tune. Birds sing their final songs, a melodic farewell to the sun. Their chorus adds a layer of magic to the already enchanting scene. Every element, light, sound, scent, creates a sense of wonder. The experience is immersive, engaging all the senses in a harmonious dance. The sunset here is not just seen, but felt. Its warmth and beauty touch the soul, leaving a lasting impression. It's a daily performance, immersive and unforgettable. Each sunset is unique, a fleeting moment of perfection. In Oberhofen, sunset is a moment of pure magic. It's a time when the ordinary becomes extraordinary and the world feels just a little bit more alive. At sunset, Oberhofen's landscape transforms into a world of light and shadow. Lake Thun becomes a canvas, reflecting the glowing sky and the dark silhouettes of the Bernese Alps. The Niesen Peak stands out, its pyramid shape dramatic against the horizon. Oberhofen Castle's turret catches the last golden rays, a fairy tale image between day and night. The castle gardens, rich with colour, slope to the water's edge, inviting quiet strolls. Trees along the shore, poplars and willows, frame the view, their leaves whispering in the breeze. Light filters through branches, creating shifting patterns on the ground. The scene is intimate, the vastness of nature made personal. As the sun sets, the lakeside path comes alive with quiet stories. An elderly couple pauses to watch the colors deepen, their silence comfortable and full of memory. Children skip stones, their laughter mingling with the gentle splash and golden ripples. Ducks and swans glide by, perfectly at home in the fading light. Birds dart overhead, making their final flights of the day. A heron flies slowly to its roost, wings steady against the colorful sky. Every creature, from insect to bird, plays a part in this evening symphony. The village breathes with the rhythm of nature. In Oberhofen, even the smallest moments feel timeless. Imagine Oberhofen at sunset as a claymation world, mountains sculpted by hand, each ridge and peak lovingly shaped. The sun is a perfect orb of orange clay, glowing softly as it dips behind the hills. Waves roll in a gentle stop-motion rhythm, their movement soothing and mesmerizing. Boats and ducks bob with charming, deliberate motion as if guided by an invisible hand. Every texture is tangible, rough tree bark, smooth pebbles underfoot, and soft petals in the gardens, each detail carefully crafted. People move with a gentle cadence, their steps echoing the playful spirit of the scene, smiles spreading in tiny incremental changes, radiating warmth and friendliness. The world feels crafted, warm and playful, every detail inviting you to reach out and touch, to become part of the story. In this claymation vision, the evening stroll becomes a heartwarming story full of wonder and delight. Every element is infused with innocent charm, making this world truly unforgettable. Amid the sunset's grandeur, it's the small moments that enchant. A single dandelion seed floats by, glowing in the golden light, a tiny traveler on a grand adventure. At the pier, a fisherman waits patiently. The magic in the quiet anticipation, not the catch. As twilight deepens, the first stars appear, shyly emerging as the sky darkens. Standing between day and night, we feel a peaceful pause in time. Near the castle, a sleek cat slips from the shadows, pausing to watch the lake before vanishing again. These fleeting encounters, seed, fisherman, cat, add layers of wonder to the evening. Each is a secret shared between us and the world. In Oberhofen, magic is found in the details. The night arrives gently, carrying the promise of another beautiful day. Sunset walks in Oberhofen offer a rare gift, pure, uncomplicated peace. As the day draws to a close, the world seems to slow down, inviting us to step away from our busy routines and simply be present in the moment. Here, the vast lake and majestic mountains command our attention, gently urging us to breathe deeply and let go of the day's rush. The scenery is so captivating that it's impossible not to pause and take it all in. The fading light and gentle sounds, soft waves lapping at the shore, distant birds calling, soothe the mind, washing away the day's worries and leaving only a sense of calm. Watching the sky shift from gold to purple reminds us of life's natural flow. The way each moment blends into the next, never rushed, always unfolding in its own time. The sun sets at its own pace, teaching us acceptance and calm. It's a gentle lesson in patience, showing us that beauty can't be hurried. Sharing this beauty with others, strangers or loved ones, creates a quiet sense of community. In these moments, words aren't needed. The shared experience is enough. We are all witnesses to this daily miracle, connected by simple wonder and a collective appreciation for nature's artistry. In Oberhofen, beauty is found in the smallest joys, a cloud's color, a ripple on the water, a mountain's silhouette. Each detail adds to the magic of the evening. The memory of golden light and peace lingers long after the walk ends, staying with us as a gentle reminder to seek tranquility in our everyday lives. Nature's enduring power to heal and inspire is never more evident than in an Oberhofen sunset, where every evening feels like a quiet celebration of serenity and hope.